Hello, this is a quick review of the MaxxHaul adjustable tire rack. As you can see, I have it up. I have tires in already. They're bagged. But what others have said, super easy install, basically 4 pieces. You have each vertical mount, which is, of course, left and right side. And then all you do is attach each pole here on the underside like that, like so, and that's it. For storage, if you didn't have tires on it, this slides up and this whole thing will collapse and store vertically out of the way. But overall, really like it. Again, easy to install, rock solid. Of course, these are all in studs. It is at its maximum width at 48 inches. And again, it's 3 bolts. It's 3 bolts, of course, in each one here on the side. So anyway, works great. Again, super easy to put up, rock solid, and very easy to use. It's great.